Hello YouTube, this is Alex from Astro Pyrotechnics. Today we're going to be taking a look at the mother of all fireworks by Raccoon Fireworks. These are 60 gram max load canister shells. And I believe, if I remember correctly, these are all Willows. So you got Nishiki Willows, you got some Gold Palm Willows, Red Plum. You do get a couple brocade. I guess they're not all Willows. A good majority of them are Willows, though. You got, looks like, 10 Willows. You got 6 plums, 2 brocades, 2 chrysanthemums, and 4 strobes in this kit. So let me take out a sleeve and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, here's what a sleeve of these look like, and I did take out 1 through 6. As you'll see, they're all labeled, so I took out all the Nishikis, or 6 of the 10 Nishikis that you get in this kit. So let me go ahead and open this one up, and we'll take a little peek at what comes in this sleeve. Line them up. 5, 6, 4. So that is all 6, and they are all correctly labeled to the back of the packaging. As you'll see, Nishiki Willow to red is number 1, Nishiki Willow to red, Nishiki Willow to sea blue, Nishiki Willow to green. So it is correctly labeled in order, which is very nice. So hopefully the cans are then correct when they go up in the air. These are 4-inch canister shells, 60 grams to each. I do believe you also get a fiberglass tube, as you usually do with these kits. Let me take that out of here. Very nice and yellow. Nicely wrapped. All the edges are shaved off. Fiberglass tube. Concrete plug at the bottom, which is very typical for these kits. So we're going to take these out and shoot them off. I will be only shooting 5 of these off. I'm going to hold on to this Nishiki Willow for a shell comparison video with all the stuff that I have in my stash for a later video. So we'll take these out and let's see what they look like. Okay, here we go, out at the shoot site. Got the first one loaded into the rack. This is Nishiki Willow to red. So we'll see how this one looks in the sky. Get this one lit here. Having a problem. Missed that one, but get the next one. Alright, I didn't get the first one very well, so I'm going to have my mom light the next ones and I'll be able to film. This is Nishiki Willow to sea blue. Go in this tube. Very nice. Very nice Nishiki Willow. Next up, we got Nishiki Willow to green. I'll actually label these all on screen. I don't know why I'm saying which one each one is, because I'm just going to label them anyways. Very nice, very nice. I like the green sort of a tips after it comes down. It's not really, it's almost like a lace effect or like a color changing effect. All right, next shell is, I probably can't. Nishiki Willow to blue. Get that one loaded in there.
Ready?
Yep.
Ooh, I got tip, I think.
That was a good one. Not as much blue as I probably would have liked, but still good. All right, last shell is teal with Nishiki Willow horsetails. So be interested to see if it's a horsetail up to the break or if it's like a falling horsetail out of the break. Put this one here. Oh, very nice, very nice. Horsetail out of the break with some shimmering, almost like some glitter more than like just the teal. So that's going to do it for this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next.